Hello guys, can you hear me? Good evening to all of you. Is my voice is audible? Please confirm. Anyone, please confirm.
Yes, it's audible.
Okay, fine. See guys, today we have one good news. And so one of our training, she got almost 23 lakhs package around as a FICO consultant in Accenture. And you guys know very well, we already shared this news in the chat box. So first of all, thank you very much, madam, for bringing this success to our institution. So how you are feeling? Are you there?
Yes, sir. I'm feeling very happy.
Okay.
You're also equally part of this happiness. You are also responsible. After this training and sessions and all, I gained the confidence of attending interview, watching all your workshop videos and all. Earlier also I have attended interview, but that was not that great. After gaining means attending your class, I could clear the interview.
Okay.
I got two offers. One is from Quest Corp. They are offering me 23 lakhs.
Okay.
That is for contract to hire. And this is one more is from Accenture. They're offering me 22 lakhs.
So you have picked Accenture or another company?
I am negotiating with Accenture. I am asking for something fixed around 20 lakhs.
Okay.
Let's see like how it works. But I will go with the Accenture only. Not I don't want to work for contractual post.
Okay, fine. See, almost you got 23 or 22 around.
Yeah, 22.5.
Okay. So what kind of questions they are asking in the interview?
Basically, I started when they asked about the introductions, I started with the DME configurations only.
Okay.
So that was a plus point for them. And they asked me a few scenarios on the assets when at the time of like they gave me one scenarios where their asset values are changing in the mid of the year, like when the useful life has been reducing. For that, I explained about the smoothing process, and also one more scenario they asked me about the scrapping fee process.
Okay.
The scrapping value of an asset has been increased. How you will configure that I explained. They asked me about P2P process, O2C cycle.
Okay.
And EBS configuration also they asked me.
Okay.
And
do you feel that interview is tough or easy?
Interview stuff means those documentation process.
No, I mean just asking you. So like interview is tough or easy?
No, I was confident enough, like I could answer.
Okay.
So I could manage it. It was not that hard.
Okay, fine. So out of 10, how many questions you answered properly?
I managed to answer most of them. I think I could answer almost like 9. Everything
9
I
questions.
answered. Everything I answered. Maybe relevant answer is only up to 9.
Okay, how many rounds has been taken place over there?
2 technical rounds, 1 managerial round.
Okay, so do you feel that which one is easy, first round or second round?
I felt second round was easy. First one was quite difficult. It was twisting. He asked me about the DME tables and all those things, like specifications, functional specifications, how we worked on enhancements and all those things. But round 2 was quite easy.
Okay, so you are already SAP consultant, right?
Yeah.
So how many years of experience you have as a SAP functional consultant?
As a consultant, I have 2 years of experience.
Okay. So again, you joined in this batch, right? What could be the reason?
Because I was lacking the confidence also in some areas. Like as a consultant, though I was worked on a very less areas, means not in all modules. It was like a cool job. I was not getting much ticket also to learn more. There was no more exposure. to enhance my skills and until unless we practice, nothing is means will learn. And
Okay.
so practical experience is very much required when I say.
Yes, 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 yes. Like in your
So
previous company, which areas you work, like in SAP FICO,
I
accounts
work.
payable, receivable.
I was handling full FI part only, but
Okay,
ticket wise, I was getting very less tickets. Uh,
okay.
in the business side, there was like everything was in a place.
Mm-hmm.
So there was very less issues they used to get. Hardly I used to get like IDOC process and some
Mm-hmm.
month-end activities, some report, customizing reports and all those things,
Okay,
updating foreign exchange rates.
okay. So after joining into this training process, what kind of confidence you get?
I gained a confidence like I got more knowledge on asset accounting. I can say DME structures and IDOC
Mhm.
also. Like
Okay,
EBS, APP process. This is all are same. Like all what we have got getting from
okay,
YouTube videos and all. It's a normal thing.
okay,
But in deep and depth knowledge on EBS, like DME, IDOC, and even for the foreign exchange currency valuations, month-end activities, what you explained was in deep depth knowledge.
okay,
It was not like other videos what we watch, other courses.
okay. So you got almost 20 lakh, 22 lakhs package. Do you feel that this is a big success or small?
Yeah, it makes difference. Definitely, it's a success.
It's a big success.
Yeah.
So we have almost six people are available in this group right now. So will you suggest how to prepare for SAP FICO to crack interview?
I suggest them to just follow the workshop videos and a few
Mm-hmm.
interview videos what you have already uploaded.
Mm-hmm.
Maximum questions they ask basis on that only. So
Okay.
almost like 70% questions is already means available if you go through these videos and these workshop videos. And
Yeah.
rest 30% it's like a general or they may take deep dive like tables, how you did like functional aspects and their technical names.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe for experienced ones, they are asking these types of questions.
Okay. So like how this training is helpful to you? Like see, you already SAP FICO consultant. Again, you joined into our institution. So do you believe that this training is really helpful to SAP consultants who are working in the companies?
Yeah, because as I said, no, my work experience was completely like it was nil only. Though I'm
Okay.
working as an FI consultant, even I was getting a salary, I was not satisfied. I used to feel like I'm not doing anything.
Okay.
Uh, so because I'm like a person who has to work, then I had to get a salary. If I'm not
Mm-hmm.
satisfied, then I'll not be happy. At the end
Okay.
of the day, if I look into my day, what I have spent, then it was
Mm-hmm.
nothing. Simply, I used to log in, and hardly during month ends, I used to get few tickets. It was quite
Okay.
cool job compared to others because
Mm-hmm.
most of them expect this type of a job. But I
Mm-hmm.
was not happy because I know this is only for a short term. If I continue in this same field, like only relaxing job, after
Mm-hmm.
2 3 years my value will reduce because I will not be upgraded, I will not learn anything new, I will not up
Okay.
to the industry standards.
Mm-hmm.
So and I want to grow. I just don't want to relax and sit back where I am.
Okay.
So I thought of refreshing my knowledge, so I joined into your class.
Okay. So you are joined for refreshing. So how
Yeah.
many months it's almost over to join into this institution?
The classes started in the month of October, I guess.
Yeah.
So October, November, or or I guess it is in September.
Okay.
September, October, November, and this is December and Jan.
Almost 5 months, 4 months. 4 months
Yeah,
is
5 months.
completed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So within the 4 months, you got this job.
Yes.
Okay. Um, see, if tomorrow is an interview, so what is your preparation will be?
I have made a note actually. I have
Mm-hmm.
prepared a big two books, long notebooks, which is of 100 pages and 400 pages. In all
Okay.
400 pages, I have made all the interview questions by watching the videos and general questions on
Okay.
basis of what I have attended the interview.
Mm-hmm.
So I'll prepare those things, and I have made
Okay.
one more book where I have mentioned all the configuration steps.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just an I have highlighted the main points because I can't read all the books full book for in one day. So
Okay.
I'll just brush up because I have already practiced. I'll just go through that book because I've already made notes.
Okay.
Then keep myself ready to answer those questions. I have also prepared something like how I explain myself when they ask you explain about yourself, explain about your experience in FICO. Those
Okay.
points also I have like what are the projects I have handled, what all I have done under those projects, what type of tickets I have handled, what are
Okay.
the enhancements I have done.
Okay. So like you have made that book as in the online format, like PDF format or the
It's a
document.
written note. No, it's a
It's
written
written
note,
note.
handwritten.
Okay. Okay. If it is online mode, then please share that. It would helpful to our students also. Anyhow, thank you very much, madam, to get this. We have 6 people also there in the online, so please ask anyone. Please ask if you have any questions. I think some people already connected you, right?
Lady connected me. She have messaged me. Maybe she is not from this group.
Okay. Okay, fine, madam. Thank you so much for giving this.
Thank you, sir. Because of your help and your confidence and your knowledge, your guidance, I could crack this. I'm really
Okay.
thankful for you.
Thank you very much. So you are the one person in this job got job. Um, Sharmila, you want to ask anything? I think you are not in mute. Want to ask any questions?
So I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So for the project, if we said something about the project, they will ask about the project detail, how we can explain because we are not worked about the project. So configuration, remaining thing we can explain. If they ask about the project, how could we explain to them in interview? Because we don't have a knowledge about it. Because
Okay,
I'm
so in the resume we need to
truly
put implementation and support project skill set. Okay, if you have real knowledge, I mean, if you worked as a consultant in the real time, so you need to add those details like project name, okay, and duration of the project and system which is related as S4HANA or ECC. Those details you have to mention, and you have to know about the business process of the client. Okay, and if you do not have those details, okay, so if you do not have those details, I will share you some resumes. You can add those things and present it the interview. Present it with the same thing to the interview.
okay. Thank you.
Okay, but these things are completely confidential. Confidential. I do not explain these things here. But anyhow, you are asked, right? So just I'm saying, we have some resumes. We just forward those details after the end of the sessions. We will share the materials, resume, and some more stuff. So please follow. Okay. And any other questions you want to ask? Okay, fine. Okay, thank you.